Hi guys, Christian from Naqood here. Today I'm going to show you how to register your trade license as a purchase in Naqood. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop my receipt and then I'll press extract. That way Naqood will now fetch all of the data from this invoice and pre-fill the purchase module. Then I'm going to select the purchase type. I can either select cash or credit. I have already paid for this, so I'll select it as a cash purchase. It was paid from my private account before the company was established. So I can either choose bank, cash or other. In this case, I'm going to take other and then find the account called debt to owner. It has already been assigned to the supplier DET, and that's because I created the supplier before that Naqood could recognize that this is the supplier. My trade license will now last for 1 year, so I need to register it as a prepaid expense. So that means I'll select yes here. My trade license has a validity of 12 months, so I'll select 12 months. The start date is the same date as my purchase date and it will expire in a year. The trade license cost me roughly 10,000 dirhams. It has already extracted that it is renewal of my license and predicted that it should be booked as trade license including fees. So I'll select this account and then I'll press create and I have now registered my trade license in Naqood.